Miaraho ya omothe mbere ya President Kenyatta anire ndudu ya maminista yarutire mukana kuri aruti wira a thirikari ya ugumania akiuga thiko ciao ni ndare.
I want to be very clear from the very onset of this year that we and the changes that I am proposing to make are going to come down extremely hard on individuals and people who think that they can continue to abuse the system for their own personal gain at the expense of the nation. We have to change this culture, friends. And it must change, and that change must start with us. And those that are not willing to change, as I have always said, please feel free to step aside. There are many Kenyans able and capable of doing what you want to do, and who have the commitment and the understanding and the value system that it is not just right, it is good and just to do the right thing. Kwa hivyo jameni, sisi hatutacheka pamoja tena. Itakuwa anyway, that's not for here.
Akiaria hari mwena wa Karen hindi ya kuruguria mutaratara wa gutora mafuku ma thirikari thukuru-ini county tiganite, President Kenyatta oigire mogaruruku maria ekire ndudu-ini ya maminista ni megutigirira gutiri muruti wira wa thirikari urahuthira giturwa kiria hetwo gwitongia na indo cia muingi. Mutongoria wa bururi oigire ihinda ni ikinyu ria aruti wira a thirikari aria matari na uigirireku meheri iturwa-ini icio.
And I think it's time for all of us, genuinely, to say that this desire, willingness to normalcy, that it is right to do the wrong thing, has to change, my friends. It has to change.
Oho mutongoria wa bururi nionekanire kuhutia ciigie mwito wa kunanira njung'wa na mutongoria wa NASA Raila Odinga akiuga mĩario ĩrĩa arĩ na bata nayo nĩ ĩrĩa ĩkũguna Kenya othe no ti andũ kĩũmbe.
And I encourage all of us, let us talk to one another. Let us talk to one another. And I am sure, and I have heard, and we have encouraged the minister and the ministry officials to engage. This is the dialogue we are looking for. This is the dialogue that we are looking for that will ensure that we produce a result that will be beneficial to our children and to our country and to our future. We don't need to shout at one another. We don't need to be out there in the media pretending to be experts and talking. Who are you talking to there? Sit in a room like this. Bring your ideas. There is no idea that will not be received if it is useful and fruitful for the future of our children and our nation.
Ngwatanĩro ya NASA no ikinyeire ni mekuhĩtithia Raila Odinga muthini wa mweri uyu ona gutuika no maratanya kugĩa na gĩikaro na thirikari. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.